Welcome in Education Success. Today we will discuss MCQs on line drawing and circle drawing algorithms. A line can be represented by options are 1 point, 2 points, 3 points, 4 points. Correct answer is 2 points. A line can be represented by 2 points. The equation of a line in a slope intercept form is given as options are A, x is equal to my plus b. Option B, y plus b is equal to mx. Option C, y is equal to mx plus b. Option D, b is equal to mx plus y. The correct answer is y is equal to mx plus b. The equation of a line in a slope intercept form is given as y is equal to mx plus b. In an equation of a line, y is equal to mx plus b. B is, options are slope of a line, B constant, C the height at which the line crosses the x-axis, D the height at which the line crosses at y-axis. Correct answer is the height at which the line crosses the y-axis. When we say a line, it, options are extends forward, B extends backward, C ends at 2 points, D extends forever both forward and backward. Correct answer is D extends forever both forward and backward. The line drawn using line drawing algorithm should be displayed with dash brightness. Options are A varying, B constant, C minimum, D maximum. Correct answer is constant. The line drawing algorithm using line drawing, the line should be displayed with constant brightness. DDA stands for, options are A direct differential analyzer, B data differential analyzer, C direct difference analyzer, D digital differential analyzer. The correct answer is digital differential analyzer. DDA is an acronym of digital differential analyzer, which is a line drawing algorithm. It is an incremental method of scan conversion of lines. The method which use either delta x or delta y, whichever is larger, is chosen as one raster unit to draw the line. The algorithm is called, options are A Bresenham's line algorithm, B generalized Bresenham's algorithm, C DDA line algorithm, D midpoint line algorithm. The correct option is DDA line algorithm, where we use either the delta x or delta y, whichever is greater, is chosen as a one raster unit to draw the line. Which of the following methods is the fastest pixel position calculating method? Options are A Bresenham's line algorithm, B DDA line algorithm, C midpoint algorithm, D none of the above. Correct answer is DDA line drawing algorithm. The DDA is the fastest algorithm among the given algorithms for calculating the position of the pixels, because it has a very easy formula or way to calculate which can be readily implemented and executed in programs. Suppose the DDA algorithm is to be used to draw a line segment between 2040 and 5090. What happens in each step? Options are A x is incremented, B y is incremented, C x is decremented, D y is decremented. The correct answer is y is incremented. The endpoint accuracy of DDA line drawing algorithm is, options are A good, B better, C best, D poor. Here the correct answer is poor. The endpoint accuracy of a DDA line drawing algorithm is poor. Floating point algorithm arithmetic in DDA algorithm is, options are time efficient, B time consuming, C fast, D slow. The correct answer is time consuming. Floating point arithmetic in DDA algorithm is time consuming. DDA line drawing algorithm for calculating pixel positions is dash the direct use of equation y is equal to mx plus b. Options are A slower than, B faster than, C of equal speed of that of, and D none of these. Correct answer is faster than. DDA line drawing algorithm for calculating pixel position is faster than the direct use of equation y is equal to mx plus b. What is the formula for calculating the slope m of a line? Options are A. M is equal to dx divided by dy. M is equal to dy divided by dx. C. Y is equal to mx plus c. D. None of the above. Correct answer is M is equal to dy divided by dx. The slope of the straight line is calculated using the formula m is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. That means m is equal to dy divided by dx. For the lines with slope magnitude m is less than 1, x can be. Options are a set corresponding vertical deflection, B. a set proportional to a smaller horizontal deflection voltage, C. only A, D. all of the mentioned. Correct answer is a set proportional to a small horizontal deflection voltage. X can be a set proportional to a small horizontal deflection voltage only if slope magnitude is less than 1. The advantage of Bresenham's algorithm over conventional DDA algorithm is: options are A. no rounding operation, B. use of integer addition and subtraction, C. producing smooth appearance, D. less number of iterations. Correct answer is B. use of integer addition and subtraction. This is the advantage of Bresenham's algorithm over the conventional DDA algorithm. In Bresenham's line algorithm, if the distance d1 is less than d2, then decision parameter pk is: options are A. positive, B. equal, C. negative, D. option A or C. The correct answer is here negative. If d1 is less than d2, then the decision variable is always negative. The best line drawing algorithm among all possible line drawing algorithms is: options are A. DDA, B. algorithm which uses direct equation of line, C. Bresenham's algorithm, D. none of these. Correct answer is Bresenham's algorithm. It is the best line drawing algorithm among all possible line drawing algorithms. Which of the following line generating algorithms is the most effective and efficient? Options are A. midpoint algorithm, B. Bresenham's algorithm, C. DDA algorithm, D. none of the mentioned above. Correct answer is Bresenham's line algorithm. It only requires integer addition, subtractions and multiplication operations. Bresenham's line algorithm is a quick process. These operations can be completed easily, allowing lines to be produced quickly. Which are used to connect a line to already drawn line? Options are A. rubber band algorithm, B. gravity field, C. dragging, D. none of these. Correct answer is gravity field. It is used to connect a line to already drawn line. Which method are used to construct and position the straight lines, arcs and circles, etc.? Options are A. rubber band method, B. gravity field, C. dragging, D. none of these. Correct answer is rubber band method. It is used to construct the position, the straight lines, arcs and circles, etc. Bresenham's circle algorithm uses the approach of: options are A. midpoint, B. point, C. line, D. none of these. Correct answer is midpoint. Bresenham's circle algorithm uses the approach of midpoint. In one octant of the line is generated. To complete the generation of full circle, how many reflections are required? Options are 1, 2, 4, 8. Correct answer is 8. If one octant of the circle is generated, to complete the generation of full circle, we required 8 reflections. Bresenham's circle algorithm uses the approach of: correct answer is, options are midpoint, point, line, none of these. Correct answer is midpoint. Bresenham's circle algorithm uses the approach of midpoint. The value of initial decision parameter in midpoint circle drawing algorithm is: options are A. 3 minus 2r, B. 5 divided by 4 minus r, C. 1 minus 2r, D. 3 minus 3. The correct answer is 5 divided by 4 minus r. The value of initial decision parameter in midpoint circle drawing algorithm is 5 divided by 4 minus r. Which of the following algorithms can be used for circular generation? Options are A. Bresenham's algorithm, B. Midpoint algorithm, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. Correct answer is both A and B. These are the algorithms can be used for circular generation, Bresenham's and midpoint algorithm. The side effect of scan convergence are options are A. Aliasing, B. Anti-aliasing, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. Correct answer is aliasing. The side effect of scan convergence are aliasing. To get more videos on many topics, kindly subscribe and like the channel. The process of reducing aliasing is called options are A. Resolution, B. Anti-aliasing, C. Sampling, D. None of these. Correct answer is anti-aliasing. The process of reducing aliasing is called anti-aliasing. The problem of aliasing are options are A. Staircase, B. Unequal brightness, C. Picket fence problem, D. All of these. All of these is the correct answer, means staircase, unequal brightness and picket fence problem is the problem of aliasing. The technique of minimizing aliasing are options are A. Increase number of resolution, B. Modify pixel intensities, C. Super sampling, D. All of these. Correct answer is all of these. The technique of minimizing aliasing are increase number of resolution, modify pixel intensities and super sampling. Thank you.